Okay. These giants are so big that if you placed it in our solar system, yikes. Even standing on Pluto, you won't be safe. It would engulf our whole entire solar system 3 times in a row. Because it's so big. And because it's so big, it's like a failed red dwarf star. And what happens is that a black hole is eating it from the inside. And that's why it looks mutated and stuff. And it also kind of, let's say we were in a livable distance from it. What would happen is that the gravity is so strong, it's almost like a black hole,
okay,
right?
I'm sorry, but am I the only one who is lost, or are you
Lost for what?
in whatever he's saying? Are you following what he's saying, or am I the only one who is lost?
Okay. Let me
Are you understanding what he's saying?
Okay.
I'm just listening.
Because
Okay,
can
fine,
you start
Mom.
all over, please? Because I have no idea where you're going. I thought you wanted to ask us a question, but this is the story, and I have no idea.
No,
what
it's not
the
a story.
is. Okay, then.
It's my article that I made up in my head.
Okay,
So,
start it all over, please.
so let me start it from the baby things.
Okay.
About 4 billion years ago, there was this thing that was called the Big Bang. The Big Bang made our whole entire universe come to light. And all the way here on Earth, we have the solar system, which consists of the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Ceres, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Haumea, and
Maki.
yeah, Maki, and Eris. And also some others, but we don't really talk about them. And so I'll start at the Sun first. The Sun, it's already in its midway life stage. So basically, 30 years old in human lives, I guess. And in 4.5 billion years, the Sun will expand into a red dwarf where it will exhaust all of its energy and swallow everything up to Jupiter.
The idiot. How you come out like bam? Now you want to hit the brake?
Anyways, enough road rage. It will engulf all the way to Jupiter. And then it will use all of its energy and expand rapidly
Who's
again.
using all his energy? The sun?
Yeah, it will use in 4.5 billion years. It will use all of its energy rapidly again and expand so much to the point that it turns small and compresses, and boom! A thing called a supernova happens.
Okay.
These can cause a few things, but I won't talk about them right now because I want to talk about all the planets. Mercury is actually the fastest and smallest planet. Do you guys have any questions so far?
No, so far so good.
No, thank you for asking. That's good.
Okay. So, Mercury is the smallest planet, and it's the fastest planet to go around the Sun. That means it's Mercury's birthday every 88 days. But it takes a long time for a day. I don't know, but it's like about 70 days. When we get home, can we now instantly go in so I can talk about this?
Yeah, keep talking.
Yay!
I'm listening.
And Mercury, okay, it's the slowest rotating planet, but it's the fastest around the Sun. And you would think just because it's the closest to the Sun that it would be extremely boiling, like it will be the hottest planet in the solar system. Nope, that's actually Venus.
Why?
And the reason that Venus is the hottest planet is because it has this thick atmosphere that actually traps all of the heat inside of it, while Mercury and other planets don't.
Why are you making?
Because
Stop doing that.
my
stop
throat is
doing
hurting.
that.
Good. JJ.
We have 3 rocky planets, 2 gas giants, and 2 ice giants. But the ice giants are basically just gas planets, but colder, I guess.
And one of them is Saturn, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, one of them is Saturn.
Jupiter, right?
Yeah. You guys are good at this.
Okay.
Anyways, Venus is a dead wasteland, and we tried to send robots to Venus, but they kind of got lost and shut down. So they're probably just either getting buried in the soil or they're getting eroded or weathering down.
I thought there was no robot on Venus.
No, they-
So they tried
No,
to
in
send-
1936. No, not 1936. 1985, I think. Yeah, 1985.
Yeah, before I was born. Okay.
Yeah, 1985. They tried to send robots to Venus, but they kind of lost sighting of the robots. But they worked for a bit, and we could see that Venus actually has like a lot of volcanoes, and the heat there can go all the way up to 500 to 500 to 800 in winter.
500 what? Degree.
500
about the
508 and 800 degrees Celsius in winter for the
Celsius,
planet.
Okay. Not Fahrenheit. Okay.
Yeah, in winter. If
Wait. Okay. The heat.
yes, if we're having winter on Earth and it's like a third, it's like negative.
Mm-hmm.
On Venus,
It's very
imagine
hot.
it's 800 degrees Celsius
Yeah. That's really
in
hot.
winter.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine it's summer. That's about almost 1,000. So like a quarter of the sun. And next we have the Earth. The Venus and Earth are actually known as sister planets. They are both very similar in size. Venus just a little bit smaller, and they could both become a binary system where both of them could be orbiting around each other while orbiting around the sun.
Wow.
But Earth. And do I really need to talk about Earth? All I can say is that
You can still go.
if the moon got too close to Earth, well, let's talk about the moon. The moon controls a lot of things on the Earth, like daytime and nighttime and stuff. But they also controls tides on the Earth. Like, if there was no moon, there would be low tides and absolutely none. And certain phases of the moon, there could be different tides. Like full moon could be no tide, and like no moon could be like
Right.
it could be high tide. And also, if the moon got too close to Earth, it could turn into rings for the Earth temporarily if it had the right conditions.
What happened very apart?
And it can hold on, let me see. Oh, and the moon is getting about 0.1 centimeters away from the Earth every year. So, just 2024, 0.1 centimeters away.
Okay, they crushed.
Yep. Well, that sucks. Anyways, yeah, that's also part of Earth. Next, we have Mars, and Mars actually has two moons called Deimos and another one. Anyways, whatever. And Mars actually has the tallest mountain in the entire solar system called Olympus Mons. That
Wow.
is okay. Here it is.
Wow.